when you write out a script to something, and a really good way to do it would be to look up how to make a hypnotic or a suggestion with hypnosis script or audio or something like that. Like you can even ask ChatGPT if you're an AI person. Awesome. And have it write it, or you write it out, or read what they say for you. So there's a very kind of simple technique to it, but it's very specific. So when you're script manifesting, once you write out your little body of it, make sure that, so I'll add in my 2 cents in it too, make sure that you title it well, use an affirmation if possible, something that sums up everything that you just wrote, because that's very important. And then you read it to yourself. When I was in school 5,000 years ago, I was taught to read it 3 times. Read it to yourself 3 times. And then after that, your subconscious mind will replay the whole thing when you say the title or the affirmation again. Script manifesting as you write it all out, and then be conscious of the way that you word things. So you want to be positive, you want to use present tense, and you want to be descriptive, not overly descriptive, but specific to what you're talking about. So the best way I would say to know if you have it well written is if you could pick it up 5 years from now and know exactly what you were talking about. If you know that when you read that, if you know that would work, and no matter what you're doing or where you were or whatever was happening, that you could read that and know exactly what you were after, then you probably have it perfect. And then you reread it to yourself, and then you use your little affirmation to remind yourself.